Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of my cryptocurrency update videos. Before I get started, I just want to say thank you so much for 207 subscribers. Cannot believe it, you guys are actually the best. The crypto community is just amazing. I'm looking at Trias today. Started on the 4 hour this time, a little bit different because I predicted that we were in, well, not predicted, but I saw that we were in this ascending triangle and I had my target up here at $5.28, and it looks like we've pretty much hit that technical target. We actually hit $5.18, so 0.10 cent off or whatever off the actual target. And I said that we probably would get stopped out on this green line before actually hitting that target, but I've actually predicted that move pretty spot on, which I'm so happy about. And now we've come up, we've hit the high, and now we're coming back to make a healthy low, make a healthy higher low to retrace down before continuation. And to see where you are going to retrace down, you actually do a swing low to swing high fib. And we can see here, we hit our target. Now we're retracing back to the 5, so we can either retrace back to the 5, the 382, or the 618. So it looks like here we're making a nice spinning top at the 0.5 fib level, bringing us back to the 0.382 fib level there. So it's a healthy retrace. We'll also come back to retest this breakout line, which I do say when you break out of a pattern, it's always nice to come back and retest that as support, just to show that that is actually a strong area, and we are hopefully going to continue up and hold that area. So it's looking really, really good. Obviously, I'm really happy that we actually hit that target and I predicted this move correctly. So now let's do our fib from top to bottom to get some higher targets now. So we see here, if we just look in the past quickly, we got above the 0.618, and what do I say? When you get above the 0.618, you go to the 1. We hit the 1 perfectly, and now we're just having a retrace back down, holding the 0.618 really nicely with a spinning top. So I'm feeling pretty confident now that hopefully we can get back above the 786, that's $4.78, bringing us back to our target here, ultimately surpassing this. So we do actually hit our exact price of $5.27. Once you hit the 1, we know that we go to the 1618 after that. We don't know when, but we know that that is our next target. So now what we're focusing on is getting above this 1 area, getting above this green line to continue up. So we know we're going to hit those higher targets. Another thing we say is that when we do break out of our falling wedge, we do have a target at the top of the wedge here at $6.47. And we say that when we break out, we use our highs in this to use as targets. And we can see here that this was our first target because we've got a higher here and we hit that target. So our next target would probably be a little bit higher here where our actual technical target is. And then our next one would be here, which lines up with the 1618 perfectly. So we've got those targets there as more confirmation that these levels are really key. So I would actually add this there too, so we know that's the 1618. I think I can probably bring that one slightly down. I'm going to put that one there because you can see here in the past, really key support as well, turned into resistance, so we know that's a key area too, with a high here as well in our falling wedge. So we've had a breakout of that. Obviously, if we do lose the 618 and the 5, I think the worst that could happen is just coming back down to the 382 down here to retest this line here, our breakout of our falling wedge. So we could come down to about $4.17. Right now we don't want to do that, and I'm hoping that we can get back above our 1 fib level up here. Whether that's today or tomorrow or the end of the week, that's fine, as long as we do it quickly so we can confirm that we are still starting our uptrend. Because even if I bring this line out, you can see, look at that lovely uptrend. Pushed up, come down to retest, pushed up, come down to retest, and now we can push up. Even if we come back down to retest here, it would still be a higher low. So we are looking good, guys. I will just have a quick look at the daily, and then I'll probably head off because we know we've hit our target. Now we're just waiting for the chart to play out a little bit more. I will just get rid of this fib so we can see exactly what's going on here. So yeah, it looks like here we've had our push and now we're retracing down. You can see it with a lot less candles. So we had a strong push up, 2 nice green candles. We've got 2 little red candles with wicks to the bottom, which is really good, showing that we actually aren't really wanting to go any lower than that. So now we just need to hold up these lows here. Obviously, if we lose these lows, then we're going to be coming down to previous lows down here. But for now, the worst that could happen is coming to $3.89 or about $4.13, as I said. But as long as we're holding these lows, creating higher lows, we're good to go, guys. So obviously on the daily, we would like to see us getting above that 20 moving average because we are still using that as resistance. So I'm hoping that we aren't continuing our downtrend right now, and we are actually switching our trend with a bottom here. You can see that we had a bottom in our structure, 1 bottom, 2 bottom, and we've hit our target. So there's not much more we can say right now, other than hopefully we can keep this chart bullish, and getting above our 20 moving average would be great on the daily. So keep an eye on that, guys. I'll be back in the next few days to update you more. Just like and comment down below and subscribe to my channel, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.